Hello everyone, welcome back to Some Wild Things. I'm out here with Deanna in Vancouver, British Columbia, out here in the forest, some trail, checking out the scenery, what nature looks like over here. We're seeing artist conch mushrooms all over the place already. And like, look at this. Do some widescreen. Just these old growth everywhere. All the moss. So yeah, it's like a magical fair. Look at this. Whoa! Crazy. Jeepers. See if we can find more of those artist conchs. There's a bunch of puffball mushrooms. Somebody squished them though. Bunch of pear-shaped puffballs. But they're all squanched.
They might actually be gem-studded.
Oh, gem-studded. Yeah, that's what I meant. Not pear-shaped. You got the studs in there. They have that stalk.
Yeah.
Cute though. Well, there we go.
Now that looks tasty.
Holy. Ooh, beautiful. These ferns are so cool. Don't have anything like that in the Okanagan Valley. Like all this moss. Like, the place is crazy. Like prehistoric forests. And there's just blackberry bushes everywhere and raspberry bushes and berry bushes and everything is so much bigger. Picturesque. Look at these trees. Wow. Old growth. Douglas fir. Old growth cedars. Down the valley bottom. There's airplanes flying over. Yeah, holy.
Watch out for those diamonds.
Another thing is these old growth maple trees like this. Nothing like that in the Okanagan. We have little tiny maple trees, but nothing like just these towering maple trees. They get even bigger than this. I've seen bigger ones, so this is crazy. Oh, we got some mushrooms on this log. Some kind of polypore situation. Not really sure what that is. Really pretty artist conch. You can hear the ships in the distance on the ocean. Did I mention we're right by the ocean? Blackberries. A lot of them are still getting ready. So we're not quite at raspberry season yet, blackberry season, but these things are crazy. Big spikes, and they just climb up everywhere. They're all over the place in the ditches, anywhere there's moist nooks, they're around. So like during blackberry season for survival, that's pretty good. Yeah, so they're just not quite.
Not ready.
Yeah, not quite ready.
Okay.
This is something that's super weird, not around the Okanagan at all. It's not Oregon grape, it's like an actual tree. The entire tree is these. I don't know what these are. If you know what these are, let me know. I might look it up when I get home, but like look. And they have these little fruits. So I don't know if that's holly, if that's what holly looks like. I don't think it is. I don't know if it's a tree. I have no idea. I don't know what it is. It's some kind of evergreen spiky tree. So weird. You see the ocean? We're making our way to the ocean. There it is in the distance. And we're going there. And we're heading there. Ah! Oh, the artist conchs, and there's more up on there. It's crazy. They're about as common as red belts are in the Okanagan. Now we're heading into civilized human territory. But there's also the ocean, the great beyond. The mother herself.
Paid parking.
Haha, pay parking, avoided. A bunch of these oyster shells along this beach. Super cute. It's a piece of kelp. And then dead crab. Oh wow, on the rock? That's pretty cool.
That one's really cool. I have to keep it.
Yeah, so they're probably all around in these rocks. We're just chilling. The tide is slowly moving in.
Yeah, here, one second.
It's like, oh,
Yeah, see? Look how it's moving.
slowly coming up farther and farther. Some waves, it's like, whoa, it's really coming up. Slowly but surely. There's Vancouver in the distance. Giant metropolis. Crazy place. Bigfoot mountains. Having some food. It's a really pretty one. On there. Well, sun's starting to set. We're packing up. It's starting to get cold. The wind's blowing. Ocean wind. There's an apple tree there, but we'll warm up once we get into the forest because we gotta walk back. What's that? Oh, yeah.
I feel like both feet got wet, but like this one.
Oh, jeez.
This one's soaked, and this one almost feels like it's dry.
Well, there you go.
Oh, look at that. Seriously.
Yo!
That's how you know it's still wet.
Giant maple tree. Holy. Here's Amanita. Somebody pulled it up. You can see the bulbous bottom. And then look at the dots. I don't know if it's a type of mascaria like variant. It's a yellow one. But we're in the right forest, and then there's baby coming up there. Really neat. It's kind of cool to see. Keep an eye out for the red ones. Woohoo! It's like an octopus. Like, whoa. Just grew on top of that other old dead tree. Insane. Alright, we're out of here. We're sick and tired of the city of Vancouver. It's too much. Look how tired we look. We're exhausted. It's been a long day. And yeah, here it is. the concrete jungles of Vancouver. This place is crazy. It's ridiculous. But we're tired. We're continuing on our adventure. Y'all don't really know what we're talking about because this might be the only one you've seen video talking about this besides 1,000 subscribers. Woo! Thank you all so much for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one. Peace. Bye.